How to fix Steam games launching on the wrong resolution. So once you're in our Steam library, you want to find the game that's giving you a problem. You want to right click on it and then click on properties. Now in the launch options, you want to set your resolution manually. So you want to type in -W for the width. So for me, my monitor is 1920. I'm going to type in that. Then you want to put a space and then do -H for the height. Space for me is 1080. So you can try that. If you're using a 1440p monitor or higher, then you can replace the numbers for that, such as 2560 by 1440. For the next method, you want to fix the high DPI scaling for the game. So you want to right click on your game in your Steam library and then click on properties. Now you want to go to installed files and then click on browse. This will come up. The game files will come up. You want to find the main exe file for the game. Once you find that, you want to right click on it and then click on properties. Now you want to click on compatibility and then click on change high DPI settings and then select override high DPI scaling behavior, and you want to make this on application and then click on OK and then click on OK again. Once you do all of this, the problem should be fixed.